How often should I reset my space heater?
Hello there. Today, we're discussing a very practical and essential topic: space heater maintenance. Specifically, how often should you reset your space heater? Regular maintenance of your space heater can significantly improve its efficiency and extend its lifespan.
Why reset a space heater?
Resetting a space heater is essentially about resetting its safety features. These features are designed to protect against overheating or potential fire hazards. For example, if your space heater tips over or gets too hot, the safety feature kicks in and shuts off the heater. Sometimes, these features might cause the heater to stop functioning even when there is no apparent risk, and that's when you need to reset your heater.
How often should you reset a space heater?
Now, on to the main question: how often should you reset your space heater? Ideally, you should only need to reset your heater when it stops functioning due to the activation of safety features. Under normal circumstances, there's no regular time frame, such as every month or week, to reset your space heater. Instead, resetting is typically situation dependent.
How to know when to reset?
So, how do you know when it's time to reset your heater? The first indicator is, obviously, if your space heater stops working suddenly. However, you should also check your heater's indicator lights. If they show a problem or if the unit isn't heating up as expected, it might be a sign that you need to reset it.
How to reset a space heater?
To reset a space heater, ensure it's turned off and unplugged first. Let it cool down if it was running. Then, find the reset button, which is typically located at the bottom. Press the button, wait for a few seconds, and then plug in and turn on the heater again. In conclusion, the need to reset your space heater is dependent on the functioning and safety features of your heater rather than a set schedule. Remember, it's important to keep your space heater well maintained and safe. Thank you for watching, and stay warm safely.